Hey all, this is our project called Project Tourist, and our group consists of Cameron Hussain, Amay Gandhi, and myself, Caden Pug. So the vision of our project was to address the travel industry since it's been hit hard recently because of the pandemic, and we thought we help that by making plans for people after the pandemic who have been cooped up for a little bit more than a year to go out in the world and experience stuff.
So how we are going to do that is by using an NLP. And NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. We can use this natural language processing to help identify keywords that will help us find people a destination and activities they may like.
So I'm Cameron Hussain. I'm going to be breaking down our program. Basically, we start with the natural language processing, specifically using Stanford's core natural language processing library. We're using that to highlight locations, people, and activities that may be mentioned in the user inputted string. From there, we're going to go and relay our whatever information we can collect to Google Maps, and that'll either help us identify a location or find the activities near the location. Finally, all that information will be combined and relayed to Project Tourist, either the web app or desktop app, and that'll tell the user everything they need to know and want to know all in one place. Now for a product demo.
So this is our graphic user interface, and as you can see, we have our own logos and interactive buttons and even a search bar. And what those three buttons do at the bottom are conjure up a random destination, random activities, or both. But if you want a more specific search or plan, then what you can do is type into the search bar an activity or a destination, such as Los Angeles. And what you do to continue is simply click the button or press enter.
This is our loading screen, which tracks progress.
And as soon as the loading screen is done, it will present you with your destination and the activities you can do that are near that location using the Google Maps plugin.
All right, so taking a look at our backend, as you can see, we are able to use entity detection built into Stanford NLP to identify Los Angeles as a city, which really helps. We can also identify countries as well as locations.
So our plans include completely linking the GUI to the front end. We would say that is our most pressing issue, as we need to completely link it for a smooth process for the user. An issue that we need to solve later, it's in our near future, is to advance and optimize the NLP algorithm so you hopefully don't have to see the loading screen at all. And in our plan in the end, deploy this currently desktop app as a web app so it can reach more people. Okay, so our resources are the library's Java processing, which we use for GUI, and then G4P processing, which is by Peter Lager. That is used for the text box as well as the buttons. Those were really helpful for us. And of course, the Stanford Core NLP, which was a key component. It was what highlighted words for us that helped us with data. And then we used the Mercury News to find this problem. We heard that it was taking a long time for passports to be renewed because of the amount of people that are traveling immediately, as well as Slides Code to create these slides, and Maven to help implement the Stanford Core NLP.
Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope our project can not only be taken to the next level, but also help a lot of people find the perfect adventure.